Yes, be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I welcome and support this piece of legislation, and I think this piece of legislation has come up before this House in time, and also I have to congratulate the Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Stop. Sir, some time back we were discussing about the facilities to be afforded to the members of parliament and how they have to be encouraged to function properly in this house. Stop. I feel now that this is a very important piece of legislation. Stop. I also agree with many of the points which have been included in this bill, but some members have not availed of the facility of going through this bill, and that may be one of the reasons why they are not taking that much of interest or unable to take that much of interest in this legislation. Stop. To me, this piece of legislation comes in the way of the black money in this country. Stop. The Customs Tariff Act of 1934 as amended subsequently and now in the name of Customs Tariff Bill is nothing but a protection that is being given to the indigenous industries and indigenous products that are produced in this country. Stop. But at the same time, this is going to stop the smugglers curtailing the black money and putting an end to this black bank as explained. Stop. Stanza. Sir, the honorable member has also said that through we say so many things about these smugglers and the control of the anti-social elements who are bringing in smuggled goods into this country. The question is how far the action taken by the government will prove efficient. Stop. Sir, during the earlier period, this bill should be given importance and topmost priority. Stop. Now we have read in the newspapers that a number of smugglers were arrested and who were solely responsible for bringing in smuggled goods into this country. Stop. The bill puts a heavy tariff so that these things are not imported into this country and indigenous production of these items may be encouraged. Stop. Once you stop the smugglers' operations, stop. We expected that these articles will not be sold in public. Stop. But we are not setting the correct example. Stop. I would request the Honorable Finance Minister to see that the possession of foreign articles should be cautioned. Stop. If they are not able to give proper account, high tariff duty should be levied on them. Stop. Over.